Hello friends, welcome to Akul Mike Live and today is weekend and usually on the weekend we have to do some extracurricular activities. When we were young, especially if you're a boy, I'm sure you will resonate when I say that we learned how to make a aeroplane, a fixed wing static aeroplane which actually flies at very young age, and the plane used to look like this. This is a very easy aeroplane to make. You can make it and it actually works. It flies around at whatever speed you throw it out in the oblivion and it will keep flying. However, the experience tells us that this kind of plane will be very boring after playing around for 20-30 minutes. So today I want to spice up your day by telling you how you can build a very creative a bird-like aeroplane using the paper, and this aeroplane will flap its wing when it flies just like a bird. So stay tuned and I will tell you all the aspects of building a bird plane which flaps its wings. Friends, our bird plane is ready. We will now go outside and test it whether it flaps its wing like a true bird or not. So friends, we had a lot of fun. We really enjoyed making this project. It's very simple, yet it gives a lot of fun. It is quite surprising that a paper plane can also flap its wings. So friends, I'm sure you're going to get inspiration from this video, what I have shown you. And for today, I like to say goodbye, only to catch you again in the next one.